Let the body move. Let yourself bring more motion into your spine. Our shoulder and our spine want to communicate together, rotating our arms, reaching back, coming overhead, opening up, and coming right under. And then maybe on the exhale, this is as far as you can go, and that's okay too. We want to be in the pain-free range. Trust that you're going with the range of motion that is challenging but still comfortable. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome back to this space. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Hedy Shah. I'm a movement coach and a mindfulness teacher, and I support individuals to build strength from the ground up, whether it be how they're sensing the ground beneath their feet, how they're orienting themselves in this space, how they're regulating their nervous system, and how they build the strength through strength training. So in today's video, share a few joint mobility exercises around your shoulder that supports you to not only regain mobility in your shoulder joints, but also building strength. But before I share all the exercises, I want you to know that before anything, if a client comes to me with shoulder issues, first and foremost, I would look at their breathing pattern. So you can go to my other videos that I talk about breathing exercises, your ribcage mobility, your spine mobility. You can find them and do them first so you can fully understand what it means to have a functional ribcage, a diaphragm that actually expands, a breathing mechanics that actually supports your joint health, including your shoulder health. So when you check them out and you fully understand them, maybe do a couple of those breathing exercises and then get into these beautiful shoulder mobility exercises and let me know what you think. Your feet nicely down on the ground, but feeling the ground, your whole back body is relaxing. Arms reaching forward, soft inhale, nice long exhale out. Feeling that rib coming down and in creating a nice closure. Another breath in. Nice long exhale out. One more, lips sealed, soft inhale. Full exhale out. Now slowly, arms coming up into the center of your body. Continue maintaining that nice reach while keeping the middle of your chest open. Soft inhale. Nice long exhale out. Getting those ribs nicely lubricated, bringing more movement into them. Continue for 2 more breaths here. One last one. Now let the arm move a little bit further out. Now naturally the rib want to flare up, but can you softly inhale and get that rib come down and then even deeper on your exhale. We're here for 3 rounds of breath. Soft inhale. Nice long exhale out. Soft inhale. Nice long exhale out. One last. So we're starting with warming up our upper body, creating a nice reach, open up to the side. We go overhead, reach to the side, right under. So we reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. We want to get our spine nicely move while we're working on warming up our shoulders. So reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. We're going for 5 reps here. Reach, open up, right under, reach, open up, overhead, reach, on the side, right under. One last one. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. Now we're going to go to the other side. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. Keep going. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. Let the body move. Let yourself bring more motion into your spine. Our shoulder and our spine want to communicate together, want to move together. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. One last time. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. Really good work. So remember that this could feel a little bit confusing because we're going backwards and we want to find that better awareness of our back motion. So we're internally rotating our arms, reaching back, coming overhead, opening up, and coming right under. So reach back, coming open up, overhead, opening up backwards. So coming right under, keep going, back, open up, overhead, open up, right under. Let's do 2 more here. Open up, overhead, open up, right under. So reaching back, reaching to the side, overhead, reaching backwards, coming to the side, right under. One last time. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. As you're becoming better and better at this, ideally I want you to not grip the coaster and keep the palms of your hands nicely open so you can still control the movement without increasing or without adding your grip to it. Nice. Keep going. Internally rotate, backwards, straight arm, overhead, opening up to the side, right under. Keep going. Now see if you can challenge yourself not to grip the object. Opening up right under. Not one last time. Let's do 1 more after this. One last one. Reach, open up, overhead, reach, open up, right under. For this exercise, you're going to grab something to elevate your feet on. Ideally, have both of your feet fit on it and the whole feet fit on it. The wider it is, the better it's going to be for your position. And then get a relatively lighter weight. I highly recommend starting this with as light as you can go so that you can understand the exercise, you can feel into the movement, and then gradually increase the load. So we are getting into a hook line breathing position. So feet nice and flat on our elevated surface, lying down on the back. So we start digging the heel towards the bum, tucking that butt under us, grab the weight, reach. So we want to create that nice reach. So we don't want to reach too much that we feel like the chest is collapsing, just enough reach. So on the inhale, we start going out. So we are externally rotating on the inhale. And then as we're coming back into internal rotation, we exhale. Inhale. To review, as we're going externally, we inhale. As we're coming into internal rotation, we exhale. So you really want to focus on the shoulder joint rotating and the elbow and the wrist respond to it rather than focusing mainly on the wrist or the elbow moving. So we're going to get into the position again, driving the heel towards your bum, tucking that bum under you without necessarily squeezing the bum, rather having that pelvis nicely tucked under. So as we inhale, we're slowly moving out. Exhale. Again, you're in full control of managing the range of motion. Maybe as you inhale, this is as far as you can go, and that's completely okay. And then maybe on the exhale, this is as far as you can go, and that's okay too. We want to be in the pain-free range. Beautiful. And grab our band or our stick, whatever that you've got lying around. I will start with our stick. So the palms of our hand is directing towards our bum. So take a soft breath in. I want you to make sure that you're giving yourself a nice exhale, getting that rib coming down and in right over your pelvis. And in a second, we start lifting up, bending forward. Have the arm reach over your head. And without you losing that, you slowly, almost as if someone is pulling you from the back, you're coming all the way up. Without the rib flaring up, we're keeping that rib nicely stacked. And see, I'm not dropping my arms, I'm keeping it up. We want to continue, stay under tension. So we're going down, open up, lifting back up, chest presenting itself forward. If you've got restriction in the shoulders and this feels too much, you can stay here and just play around with that. So maybe perhaps you can not go too far up, just play a little bit without pushing or without getting it into your neck. So lift up, overhead, pull yourself all the way back up. We're going down again. Let the arms relax over your head, coming up. We're here for 3 more. Reach overhead, coming all the way up, presenting that hip nicely forward. Let's keep going. We're here for 3 more. It should feel like a lot of work, a lot of burn is happening in the back of your shoulders. Trust that you're going with the range of motion that is challenging, but still comfortable. You shouldn't feel any pinching feeling, any pulling. So I'll demonstrate this with a band for those of you who have a band and not a stick. So again, the palms of our hands are facing towards our bum. Slowly dropping down. Let the arm go nicely overhead without you necessarily stretching the band. You're just holding the band. Coming up, presenting that hip forward, keeping that body nice and upright. We're not flaring the rib. Keep going. We're here for 5 to 8 reps. Take your time. Continue building up that tension. Nice work. Really good job. Stay soft on your breath. Remember, we don't want to get into our necks or pain in our shoulders. So you can always adjust the range of motion that feels comfortable for you. So one last one here. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for all the magics that are coming through.